sa yeming la te zung la ke ye ani ye de ma chen chu ba ge chari klop chen ko la ma ani de she kha tu de shue ye shue wa ya an de ne thomon de la an zu ge chen chu ba ge chari klop de na ma lo chen thang bu de ka res na chemical reaction and equations. Chemical reactions and equations is the first chapter in our class 10 syllabus. Yeah, any chemical reaction the equation di ko la man chu ma chang nye la ang man chu gi di lob sen di nang lo la any ning du ka yo de ni kan chu nyen shue yi the brief overview of the chapter. Writing chemical formula. Chemical formula is chemical equation is balancing chemical equation. Chemical equation is a balance condition. And then the types of chemical reaction. Writing chemical formula, writing chemical equation, balancing chemical equation, and types of chemical reaction. Chemical. Chemical and what is chemical? Chemical and yeah, chemical the symbol yeah, some of the metals go to the chemical that the land of passing on to be 10 years. Chemicals the basic building blocks of all the elements. All the elements all the matter. Matter any elements, the atoms that these elements, atoms, and molecules, compounds, generally we call them as a chemical. Element, atom, molecule, compound, chemical. Chemical. Chemical says. Any atom down, element down, any compound oh, that indicate chemicals decay. That chemical decay yard to change any all the matters are made up of chemicals. Chemicals. Yeah. That matter this chalk dealer. This chalk is also made up of chemicals. Chalk the chemical chalk the compound in a chemical race. Chemical that is a pure substance called oh, chalk the substance and chalk the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. 다 calcium carbonate like compound rare na 100% क्या था calcium carbonate like compound rare जैसा ता calcium carbonate नंगोला यानी खारी योरे इस लगे ती नंगोला कार्बन योरे ऑक्सीजन योरे तिने calcium 제상 어쩌기 되는 가래 요래스나 calcium carbonate 가래를 두버려서 되잖아요 carbon 당 oxygen 당 calcium 오 되게 두버려스 calcium 제 carbon 제 oxygen 되게 가래스는 these are elements or you can say atoms 제상 대조를 먼저 가는 것은 chemical 스 오케이 제상 대징이 chemical을 가래스는 chemical은 제레스 제 되게 가래 제 되게 가래 두기래서랑 아주 예윤이 요데 풍어고 탐제 두기래서 만조에 엔 제를 두거래서 케미컬을 두거래서 딜러드서는 만조 가래 소열을 두서는 저봉기 소열래서 셀 그러봐 and cells are further made up of molecules cell 되게 딜마 가래 두거래서나 molecules and molecules 나오는 만조기 and molecules 던도 마 되게 가래를 두거래서 되잖아요 elements and elements 도 가래를 두거래요 atom to this tame thadum di khadle us atoms di gele jesa element atom molecule compound like this so thangla manju khalu isna chemical this chemical the sheswa yeah dene manju ki chemical formula ta manju ki dene pa plus na chemical formulas 제기 초가스 chemical formula를 뜻은 제기 초가스 제가 chemical formula 되게 딱 디테일한 거 좀 잡아야지나 chemical formula는 가르쳐야지 chemical formula 뜻은 we have learned this chemical formula in our early classes okay so chemical formula for example here calcium carbonate itself it is a say compound the compound right? And if we write down this calcium carbonate in the form of its symbol, then we call it as a formula. Calcium carbonate like the calcium is Ca, carbonate is CO3. Calcium is basic radical, carbonate is acidic radical. Chesang anju ki D ki valency ding anju phaso neutralized chapter china equal chapter china and you are going to get a compound which is totally neutral compound like the khatu yine and neutral chhuate negative neutral la de charge positive maimba negative maimba and charge tak tak parani chipa charge ki shu chi chu mangnu chipa inde de chila ma neutrals yeah calcium carbonate the calcium carbonate like the khares it is a formula of compound calcium carbonate ki formula chap calcium carbonate ki choga chap जैसा calcium carbonate दूसरी ता दजिन एक पकेला carbon योरस ना carbon दुआ oxygen योरस तो oxygen oxide atom सुन दुआ यानी calcium योरस तो जन calcium दे दुआ एंड जैसा दिगे basic atom दिगे की डूबे की यानी compound दिला मतलब की calcium carbonate लगे जन को खर्चा बरस ना formula चापरे chemical formula of calcium carbonate CaCO3 ला यदि chemical formula of calcium carbonate all those chapters that the nation chemical formula the kashi ni tension la na penetration na so the career to calcium phosphate la this ne calcium phosphate calcium phosphate calcium Ca. That Ca, as you know, the valency of calcium is 2. Calcium की valency 2 into Ca plus 2. Basic radical, acidic radical, basic radical. दिगे कंजो जो दुम्बनेशन जाए योरे, and दिने याचिंग ग्याबाल जाए योरे, and ये गुबाल आता पे याबुचिनी, right? Manju Jang Yu Zan, and Tarini get to Tuzu Mambusti gave me, and says the tensus like me, just calcium is a positive radical, right? And there is basic radical, phosphate is PO4. Phosphate it is acidic radical, and the valency of phosphate is -3. Jesa phosphate the khora kharchas na acidic radical. Jesa radical the valency kharchas 3. Ta data da valency ni the chipa dwes. Calcium ki valency 2 re, phosphate ki valency 3. Jesa kuni valency the negative chiki di manga doa. Jesa kuni neutral chas res. Neutral chasser neutral chamaso. There are chasena calcium the valency 2 positive way, carbonate the 2 negative way. Chesa negative as a negative 2 down, positive 2 ni, korani chiki nobody, and sage korani chik neutral charge. Neither positive nor negative charge. Then she said that they chico so good. 당안주기 수두선에 가르쳐야 요래서 두선에 니만 안주기 로드 된주나고라 cross multiply that valency 내가 안주 카투 cross multiply 치기와 근데 지금의 균제 가래에서다 균제 가래에서 그러지나 calcium 얘기인데 calcium 숨기 용거다 지나는 calcium 숨기 용거다 지나 다 positive charge 된 안주 같이 레이도 쓰는 니가 니도 시가 니도 true chene manzo positive charge de khazu shel tusna true chene to asta ta phosphate dinde yang ni ke yona phosphate le dis di yang ni ke yona ta negative charge yang khazu chaso yang true chaso al sumga sumdo na true che jesa calcium sum la phosphate ni nyam do debada china kuni ni positive mai ba negative mai ba neutral compound shel to asta the neutral compound the conjunct over tube is calcium there sum udusene calcium degra sum che phosphate ladusene PO4 like the kora ganja the PO4 P it is a phosphate atom the phosphorus phosphorus atom che then oxide oxygen atom and oxygen atom sheet phosphorus atom chik 디게디 아니 냠도 뒤치는 라디컬 직시드스나 나 코코라 양 모직 때문에 되잖아요. 군이 냠도 뒤부드스네 브레켓다. 얘네 디가라 디네니 여버 손자 데르니 잡아내지. 제가 다 안주기 calcium phosphate formula 가래 디자. 디 가르쳐스나 calcium phosphate formula죠. Chemical formula of calcium phosphate is Ca3PO4 whole 2 times. Only on the Kachawsna, calcium phosphate chemical formula, and there are desert how to write a chemical formula. Chemical formula Tida, Soda, what is it? Tessulami, Chita did some animal plots and a lot of Luti, non sabri. Oh, yeah, that in a chemical formula. That in a Manzuki dinner about this, Tandogi lots and the Mamut team, that's Ina. Writing a chemical formulas. That chemical formula condition. Now, writing a chemical formula condition. Tube you may. Only chemical formula condition tube you may be under shoes in the Tagarande, Tando Nigichik Labda China, Manzu, sodium oxide, sodium and plus any oxide O the oxide the need. Ni you do the chemical formula can stew related calcium sodium oxide can stew related sodium oxide can stew related data yang you de la kare positive charge chick negative charge ni chesa negative charge malangena ta sodium yang you chi godoa chesa ngazu ki sodium oxide sodium ki valency ki 1 in batang oxygen ki valency 2 in sodium oxide neutral chabo the neutral condition sodium dinde positive dinde ni yore ni di oxygen chignam do dichidesane 2 positive charge tang 2 negative charge tuk chali any ko neutral chali za any manzuge sodium oxide ki formula constitutive related addition that the 시즌 안쪽에 되는 베르실콘 다이옥사이드 컨디션 튜브래 아니 베르샤샤나 안쪽에 디 가래 가릴 러버다지네 컴파운드 컨디션 러버다지네 라 zinc carbonate constitute magnesium hydroxide constitute calcium hydroxide constitute denso 상과 대단 되게 가지고 chemical writing a chemical formula 되게 정말 아니 정말이 이마 디니기 가래 진짜난 거라로 장착 송자 아니 얘기들이 되라 망부식 느낌에 디 텐수의 기체도 되는 수니 balancing chemical equation. Chemical equation. 아니 chemical equation 그대로 팀으로 chemical equation 어디서는 가려야습니다. chemical equation zeki nyamchas zeki nyamchalo ma chemical equation da ma chemical equation condensed ta chemical equation material and ma ge calcium why we have to write down this chemical equation is that we should know about the chemical reaction equation 2 go use chemical reaction we have to explain about the chemical reaction chemical reaction into group 2 level and come to the chemical equation of camera. Harchensina, Niela, Chig Yobati, Chisu, Shabachi, Yutu, and co equation you form the Moticamera. The Ureg, Euroto together on the Halabosna, any chemical reaction. Yes, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction looks chemical reaction chemical reaction any chemical equation any on the chemical reaction then you get to share someone and come to share with 계승은 좀 오마치 남시 차오지기 뒤줄라 이렇게 뒤줄라 아니 강바게 남로라 아니 샤샤듯이나 오마디 가르치기를 했어 daily life situation like keeping a milk at room temperature during summer 열두 컵도라 만족이 room temperature 오마치 샤도 가르치기 가르치기 오마 촐라도라 milk will get so 제가 오마 촐라도 가르치는 Niela yöde kardo milk. Niela yöde milk. Milk the temperature that for tobushi high. High temperature, higher temperature. Or the naked temperature, milk the exposed chocolate. When this milk gets exposed to high temperature, this milk will get soaked. 오마디 같이 하고 체를 했어. 제가 오마 털어도 했어야지. 만족이 어두스 쳐. 다 딜러도 전에 오마 털어 친거다지. 네 오마를 했어. 어디 봐. 오마 털어 친거다지는 오마 말했어. 제가 오마 털어 친데버디 딱 뭐 샘바지다. 오마디 규칙이다. 게 용도 가지고 보고 봐. 내가 상론치는 가지고 미 가래 친구 차. 제가 미 이거 찍고 있는 게 미국 유럽도 되는 시체니 안다 되라 오마 이미 찍고 있는 게 오마디 백보라 같이 하스나 오마디 숙심바지는 유르시 어디 리그도 되잖아 먼저 갈러그래서 디포르도 가르쳐 버렸어 그랬잖아 chemical reaction has taken place 맞아 내가 또 나들어 제자 chemical reaction take place 지그래서 그랬잖아 다 디타만 먼저 chemical reaction 다 안다 디를 같이 할 수 없는 내가 먼저 같이 할 수는 we have learned that chemical changes. 만족이 가르코는 장애에 대해서는 chemical changes 거를 장애. chemical change 되게 Nimani, Zindanganzu, Tropo Dumbaninganzu, chemical change, physical change, Jairwa, physical change, Penachashata China, any folding of clothes, any melting of ice, or the Zutanganzu Hacharsana, chemical, physical change. Burning of paper, then rusting of iron, iron. Chardi, Harinam to the moist air. Chardi, moist air Yamdola, any exposed chapters, moist air Yam, and Chardi, Tenga, moist air you searching for Chardi chapters, Chardi Harsitu and Zaka. Chardi Karu YouTubers, rust. Now, iron oxide. Rusting rusting of iron is called as iron oxide. In higher classes, we will learn that this is a basic iron oxide. Right? What did you do? And that goes for any standard condition. Rust charge is an iron oxide. Just iron oxide D, any Karchavsana, charge air chiporula, any react any cocarchasna, rust yourselves. And it is a chemical change. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Nimachan Savra. Chesanga Tesu for science, it is very simple subject. The things is that you have to be very much familiar with all the science terms and science concepts. Science concept, science terms, familiar science becomes a little chatter. Chesa science Chesa iron the moist area of the rust. That rust shadow the oxygen reverse, water reverse, oxygen mares, water game mares. Then one rust shadow the iron reverse, iron game mares. That they were a completely new substance. Substance that's sour. Any substance sour condition by undergoing chemical change in chemical properties. Chemical properties like Rojmato and Kokarchabs, permanent change. Chesa would indicate change we call it as a chemical change. Right? Any chemical change, whenever there is a chemical change taking place around our surrounding, they are considered as a chemical reaction. And if we write down this chemical reaction, then it will form a chemical equation. If you explain this chemical reaction in the shorthand form, and we call it as a chemical equation. Chemical equation. Then any penetration grapes get fermented, food is cooked. Then food gets digested in our food. Respiration. They get some chemical change. Chemical change, then the chemical change, certain chemical reaction has taken place. Chesa chemical reaction and chemical change are equivalent term. Chesa ni the ring on the in our first period, let me keep it